Step-by-step instructions to successfully sell digital products online. Selling digital products online is a great way to make money and build a successful business. With the right strategy, you can quickly reach a larger audience and increase your profits. In this article, we will provide step-by-step instructions to help you successfully sell digital products online. Be sure to watch this video until the end, as each step is important for your business development. The first step to selling digital products online is to identify the type of products you will be offering. Consider the needs of your target market and the types of products that would be most appealing to them. You can also research the available online marketplaces to determine which platforms are the most popular for selling digital products. Once you have identified the type of products you will be offering, the next step is to find the right platform to sell them on. Popular platforms include Amazon, eBay, and Etsy, but there are a variety of other online marketplaces that offer digital products. Consider your target audience, the type of product you are offering, and the features of each platform to determine which platform is the best fit for your business. The next step is to create an effective product description. This description should include a detailed description of the product, its features, and the benefits it provides. Aim to make the description as compelling as possible so that potential customers are drawn to the product. Additionally, include a few customer testimonials to build trust in the product. After creating the product description, the next step is to set up a payment system. You will need to make sure you are compliant with the payment processor you are using and also ensure that your customer's credit card information is secure. Additionally, it is important to set up a customer service system to handle any inquiries or complaints from customers. Before I move on to my next step, which I'm sure you are eager to hear about, please consider subscribing now if you are finding this video helpful and would like to see more like it. Please also remember to like and share this video. Most importantly, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you would like to gain more insight into selling online, I recommend listening to my free ebook, Heavy Duty Online Selling. You can find the link in the description box below. Finally, it is important to promote your digital products and get the word out about them. Social media marketing, paid advertising, and content marketing can all be effective ways to reach potential customers and drive more sales. Additionally, you may want to consider creating a blog or website for your digital products.